Meet the new Issues feature in Frame for Excel, currently available in Alpha. You can now create issues directly inside the Autodesk Viewer by selecting a location in the model and adding the issue details. Each issue is saved in an Excel table with its own stable issue ID, model context, element information, coordinates, and viewpoint data. Color-coded markers make issues easy to identify in the model, while the new Issue toolbar lets you create issues, show or hide markers, link the Excel table with the viewer, or clear existing issues. When linking is enabled, selecting an issue row in Excel highlights and focuses its marker in the model. You can also hover over a marker for a quick summary, or click it to jump directly to the corresponding Excel row. The interaction is optional and turned off by default, giving users complete control over their workflow. This creates a simple connection between issue tracking and BIM coordination, without duplicating information or leaving Excel. And while Autodesk Construction Cloud synchronization is not included yet, the underlying issue data is structured with that future integration in mind.